Welcome back to RV Gear Review. Today, we're exploring one of the most innovative transformations in the world of mobile luxury, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, modified for ultimate comfort and style. Known for sleek design and responsive performance, Mazda brings its signature finesse into the motorhome scene, and the result is nothing short of remarkable. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome rides on a reinforced chassis, giving it both stability and agility on long road trips. Under the hood, it's powered by Mazda's 2.5-liter Skyactiv G turbocharged engine, delivering a smooth yet powerful ride. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering impressive fuel efficiency for a motorhome of its class. Despite its compact profile, it boasts a towing capacity of 6,000 pounds, ideal for hauling bikes, gear, or even a small trailer. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the Mazda approach to interior luxury. The cabin has been completely reimagined with premium leather seats, ambient lighting, real wood accents, and soft suede paneling. The layout is designed to accommodate up to 4 people comfortably, with a convertible lounge area that transforms into a full-size bed. There's also a pop-up roof section that adds extra headroom and a skylight for natural light and stargazing. In terms of technology, the Mazda Motorhome includes a 12-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and onboard Wi-Fi. It also features a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner induction cooktop, mini fridge, microwave, and built-in water purifier. The bathroom is compact yet functional, with a smart composting toilet and a water-saving shower system. Mazda didn't forget about energy efficiency either. This motorhome includes solar panels on the roof, paired with a 300 Ah lithium battery setup and a 3,000-watt inverter. Whether you're parked at a remote campsite or on a scenic highway, you'll have power to run your essentials and stay connected. The climate control system is equally advanced, using zoned heating and cooling to maintain perfect temperatures inside, regardless of the weather outside. From the aerodynamic exterior lines to the high-gloss metallic finish, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome looks as good as it performs. The large side awning and outdoor entertainment setup, complete with speakers and a fold-out table, make it ideal for outdoor hangouts. And with a starting price of around $135,000, it brings an impressive balance of affordability and high-end features. So if you're looking for a motorhome that delivers on performance, comfort, and Mazda's signature style, the 2026 model is well worth your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in luxury RVs. Until next time, happy exploring.